Imagine turning one photo into a hyper-realistic avatar that talks like you. Yep, I'm not real. I'm just an AI avatar of me. Today, I'll show you how to create a stunning AI avatar from just a single photo. No camera, no studio, just AI magic. First, log into Tagshop.ai, an AI photo to avatar generator. Next, upload your clear photo. Then, let the AI build your avatar's face, voice, and expressions. After that, type your script and generate multiple videos with AI. Now, let's check out the final output.
Hi, I'm Elle, the AI version of me, ready to make videos in any language.
The best part? You can create unlimited videos of yourself without recording anything. It's perfect for UGC ads, product demos, or content creation. Try it out and see your AI twin in action. Just one photo is all you need.